It's your boy El Bouclé in the building once again with another video. Before we get to it, man, y'all already know how it go. Like, share, subscribe, man. Like it for your boy one time. And let's get the channel going, man. We're doing a quick video today. My homie Manny, like I said in the last video, he a diamond in the rough. But we coming over here to the shop, man. He just did a clean install on one of his homeboy's cars. It ain't no old school, so don't be tripping on me. It ain't old school. It's a Ford Fusion, you know what I'm saying? It's a Ford Fusion, but it's clean, man. He just did all DB driving there. I just want y'all to see and hear how it sound, man. And just give y'all some ideas. I know everybody got different tastes in music and brands or whatever. And I ain't even gonna lie, I don't even got this setup in here, but he got me thinking twice. So we're gonna check it out, man. So here we go. Yo, what's up, y'all? So we in the car with my man's Manny, man. Need two customs with this little nice little Ford Fusion. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all see it? Need two. So I'm gonna let him explain what we did to the Ford. You know, even though it's Chevy gang.
I'm a Ford Fusion. Did the used factory radio.
Yeah.
Did a set of 12s. We did a
what type of 12?
Those are DB Drive, baby. DB Drive. Yes, sir. I think those are the G1s, I believe, back there. And custom built box. We got
built by you?
Built by me. E-Man. Need to. Customs, you know it. Got the battery, got the digital processor to produce the good sound in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all all the setup in the back too. It's clean.
Let y'all hear a little sample of it.
Right now we playing. This my man's Nate, man. Y'all follow him on YouTube. N8 Successful. Check his song out, man. Playing my homie's music. I'm gonna show y'all back there too in a second. But you can go ahead and play it and step out for a second. Well, I'm on for it when I'm talking.
We never gonna go, rock the whole world and they still want some more. I started with nothing forever gonna grow. And my beats hella hard, I could rock the whole show. They gon' make them like me, girl, like stay in my glow. And I always letting me already know I can do anything, like a like a pro. I can reach in the world, entertaining the boat. If you cannot keep up, cause you're feeling slow. And I always be on my just point now. I tuck in the bag and I never look back on the nights I didn't have. And I got hella kids, so they just tell me that. And I step up real I be making them mad. You had it and lost, you dwell in the past. You going with me, you never gon' last. And I work real hard and I master my craft. You try to compete, I just sit back and laugh. I want the money and I want the cars. I want the clothes, yeah, I want the. I'm going hard, got my niggas they throw. I'm going hard till they call me to go. I'm going hard, got my niggas they throw. Holy killers with a knee to the throat. I'm going hard, got my niggas they throw. I'm going hard till they call me to go. I want the money and I want the cars. I want the clothes, yeah, I want the. I'm going hard, got my niggas they throw. I'm going hard till they call me to go. I'm going hard, got my niggas they throw. Holy killers with a knee to the throat. I'm going hard, got my niggas they throw. I'm going hard till they call me to go. Born in the city, I was raised in a virgin. I never been sold, don't get twisted, get hurt. And I up in this thing and I ain't what you learn. Yeah, I work hard, so you know what I deserve. And I'm busting that move and I came in this work. You try to run me, you came with your nerve. I live to tell like you came with the word. I just came with a girl. I swear to God, I was made for this. And I know I'm gonna make it, so know I'm gonna quit. I hate it too late, now my life is legit. And I make it that back and I don't want no break. I get on my level, all the fame in it. And I don't play no games, cause I ain't to get rich. I just butterfly doors, got the flame in it. And feel like you somewhere in the ditch. And I got all that stone and I never gon' lick it. And me and the two, you like on every team. And I can't never stop and I came with a vision. You killer, that came in the beat. That got the artillery, you came in with me. Even when I'm at church, got the thing in with me. And I use the dirt, I grew in the sea. And I put with you, just see what I be. I bought my own place, you know that I told it. My girl, I'm gonna throw it. And that's broken, you shit, I'm throwing it.
Y'all see it, man.
So everything is done in the highs. Done by DB Drive.
Yeah.
That's what I live by.
Yeah.
Loudspeakers, tweeters. Y'all see them, the loudspeakers, the Neos.
Y'all see it, y'all.
You see it, extremely loud and clean. The only way I like my music, loud and clean.
Yes, sir. So we got the sundown amps, right?
Yes, sir. Got the sundown. The sun is actually down because it's nighttime.
You can show the trunk, the subs in the back.
Pop that.
1 second, guys. We're gonna open the trunk so y'all can see. Here we go. WDX joints. I don't know if y'all can see out here, go. 40 box. And it's built by him too. All by him. There we go. That's better. 40 box. These is 12? 12. Yep. Y'all see it, y'all. I'm gonna put my man's Manny information and below, man, so y'all can holler at him. His number is on his Instagram page. I've been trying to get him to do better with his Instagram, but he'll hit you back.
Yeah.
He's very good at responding, so don't worry about it. But he do good work, man. I just want y'all to see what's going on. Need to, man. What's the number again?
708-955-9374. Need to Customs.
Yeah, man.
Hey, you need it? I got it. I got what you need.
Yes, sir. Y'all holler at my man, man. Need to Customs, Mr. Emmanuel Green, extraordinary. Got a nice little setup, man. Safe. No hoodlums around here.
No.
None of that.
Nope. Nice white folk.
Y'all know what he mean. But yeah, man, y'all holler at him, man. Little quick little video today, man. So appreciate y'all watching, man. Again, y'all like, share, subscribe, turn that notification bell on to all. Turn it on to all, y'all, so y'all know when I drop a next video. And that's it, man. I'll let your boy we out.
I want the clothes, yeah, I'm going hard, got my knee at they throat. I'm going hard till they call me to go. I'm going hard, got my knee at they throat. Holy killers with a knee to the throat. I'm going hard, got my knee at they throat. I'm going hard till they call me to go. I want the money and I want the cars. I want the clothes, yeah, I want the